Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove items from your favorite list on Etsy. If you saved too many items on Etsy and you want to quickly unfavorite them to clean up your saved list, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Etsy application on your device and log in. Once you're logged into the Etsy account homepage, go ahead and tap on the Favorites button at the bottom right corner. From your favorite list, to remove an item, you can simply tap on the heart icon right above the product display and you'll then be able to remove the item from your favorite list. Refresh your screen for once and you'll see that your items that you've unhearted has been removed. Remember that items can only be removed individually, there is no bulk remove options. Removing from favorites does not affect your purchase history and it only clears your saved list. So that is how you can easily delete items from your Etsy favorites. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.